Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me from Sequoia Financial Group is Managing Director Garry Crole. Garry, welcome back to FNN.
Good to see you again, Rachel.
Now, Sequoia operates an integrated financial services business. Can you remind us about the size and scale of the business today?
Yeah, sure. We just reported some half-year results, and we're tracking at around $100 million annual revenue, and we're tracking towards around about $6 to $7 million of operating profit at present.
Thanks, Garry. Now, let's look a little bit more closely at the results. What were the highlights?
Several highlights, particularly in our wealth group and our equity markets arm. So our wealth group grew by 50% in revenue for the half-year period to around 30 million, and our Morrison Securities business in particular and the equity markets business doubled. One of the sort of highlights from a statistical point of view is 12 months ago we had $400 million of stock on HIN. Today we have 2.8 billion stock on HIN, so a 7 times increase in the CHESS sponsorship. So really good growth, and a tribute to our great staff.
They're absolutely fabulous figures there, Garry. Now, what do you believe drove these results?
We certainly made some acquisitions across the 12 months. But primarily what's happening is we built the Morrison business out to create an opportunity to get growth, and I hoped it would come, and clearly it has. Our team is definitely first class, and a number of AFSLs that are choosing us opposed to the competition has grown and really driving that growth. And the same thing's happening in the wealth side. We had 33% growth in advisor numbers over the 12 months, and the revenues flowed from there. So really exciting and real high growth period.
Excellent. Now let's talk about the operating environment. What helped over the last 6 months, and what are the challenges?
So there's certainly a few things that are occurring. Obviously, March 2020, when the markets collapsed, created some tension in consumers, and that drove a lot of demand to their financial planner. The second thing that occurred was that, very high self-directed traders increased, the Robinhood traders of the world. And a lot of those advisors had to go by themselves, but then started to look to engage with an advisor to get advice because they become attracted to direct equities opposed to, traditionally investing in managed funds and so on. So it's probably a little bit environmental, but certainly a lot to do with more advisors and more clients.
And what is the outlook?
The outlook is continued growth. So we're certainly on the acquisition trail, and we certainly expect high double-digit growth rates to continue. We would like to have 10% of the available market in the financial planning space, so that's a 300% growth target. And we're talking about a 5-year plan to be a $400 million revenue business with around $30 million of operating profit. So very long way away from where we are currently, but the trajectory is right, and we're heading in the right direction. And the biggest asset we have is our staff, and we've got great staff in all 4 divisions, and it's a very exciting period for the company.
And to the last question now, Garry, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Probably touched on it, the staff. I'd like to thank the staff, and I'd like to thank the shareholders for their patience. Our share price 12 months ago was 20 cents and was lagging. Today it's close to 50 cents. And, those people who have stuck behind us from the staffing point of view, the clients and the shareholders, I'd like to thank them. And I think we're on a good ride from here.
Garry Crole, thanks for the update and congratulations on those fantastic results.
Thank you very much.